Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells you will change. Don't select the whole sheet unless intended. Once selected, inspect the formula bar to determine whether 0 is a typed value or a formula result, because the method differs. If this is a display issue from formatting or conditional formatting, you'll handle it differently. Otherwise, proceed to replace. Make sure to note whether blanks matter for other formulas before you remove zeros, because replacing will affect dependent calculations. Now use Find and Replace to remove zeros safely. Press Ctrl+H, enter 0 in Find What and leave Replace with empty. Click Options and choose Match Entire Cell to avoid changing 10 or 20. If zeros are formula outputs, set Look into Values so you target displayed zeros, but note Excel won't replace formula-produced zeros that way. Instead, convert formulas to values first on a copy. Once done, run Replace All on a test range to confirm results before doing the whole sheet. Finish by validating the sheet. If zeros came from formulas, convert those cells to values only when you're certain. Use Copy then paste special right arrow values for that subset. After Replace All, scan dependent formulas and recalculate F9 to ensure nothing broke. If something went wrong, undo immediately and rerun on a smaller range. A key troubleshooting tip: inspect number format and conditional formatting rules. Sometimes zeros are hidden or shown by format, and changing format fixes the issue without deleting data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.